Our world stands at a pivotal moment, grappling with an escalating demand for energy. Traditional sources, while vital, present significant environmental and geopolitical complexities. We seek a power that is clean, virtually limitless, and inherently safe. This quest leads us to the very heart of stars, to the promise of nuclear fusion. Fusion energy represents not just an alternative, but a fundamental shift in how humanity powers its future. It is the ultimate clean energy solution. At its core, nuclear fusion is the process that powers the sun and all stars. It involves combining light atomic nuclei, such as isotopes of hydrogen, under extreme heat and pressure. When these nuclei fuse, they release an immense amount of energy. This process is the opposite of nuclear fission, which splits heavy atoms. Fusion reactions produce helium, a harmless inert gas, and neutrons. The energy released is millions of times greater per unit mass than chemical reactions like burning fossil fuels. The advantages of fusion energy are profound and transformative. Its primary fuel sources, deuterium and tritium, are abundant. Deuterium can be extracted from ordinary water, and tritium can be bred from lithium, a widely available element. Fusion power plants would produce no long-lived radioactive waste. The byproducts are non-radioactive helium and short-lived activated materials that decay quickly. This eliminates the complex and costly challenge of long-term waste storage. Furthermore, fusion is inherently safe. There is no possibility of a runaway chain reaction or meltdown. The process requires precise conditions that are difficult to maintain, meaning any disruption would simply cause the reaction to cease. For decades, fusion remained a distant dream, confined to laboratories. Today, we are witnessing unprecedented progress, driven by global collaboration and innovative private ventures. Scientific breakthroughs are accelerating the timeline to commercialization. Major international projects like ITER, the world's largest fusion experiment, are demonstrating the scientific and technological feasibility of fusion. ITER aims to produce 10 times more power than it consumes, proving net energy gain. Its construction is nearing completion. Simultaneously, a vibrant ecosystem of private companies is emerging, attracting significant investment. These ventures are exploring diverse approaches, from magnetic confinement to inertial confinement, each pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Recent experimental results have shattered previous records for energy output and plasma confinement. The path to commercial fusion energy is not without its challenges. Sustaining the extreme temperatures and pressures required for fusion remains a complex engineering feat. Developing materials that can withstand the intense neutron flux is also crucial. However, these challenges are being met with ingenuity and dedication. Advances in superconducting magnets, high-power lasers, and advanced computing are providing the tools needed to overcome these hurdles. The global scientific community is united in this grand endeavor. The collaborative spirit among researchers, engineers, and institutions worldwide is accelerating progress. Knowledge sharing and open innovation are key to rapidly advancing the field. We are building on decades of foundational research. Imagine a world powered by clean, limitless energy, free from the constraints of fossil fuels. Fusion energy promises a future of energy independence, economic stability, and environmental stewardship for all nations. It can lift communities out of energy poverty. This vision requires continued investment, supportive policy frameworks, and the cultivation of a skilled workforce. Governments, investors, and academic institutions must collaborate to accelerate research, development, and deployment. We must nurture the next generation of fusion scientists and engineers. Policy advocacy is essential to create an environment conducive to innovation and commercialization. Streamlined regulatory processes and public-private partnerships will be vital. This is an opportunity to shape a sustainable global energy landscape. The journey to harness the power of the stars is nearing its destination. Fusion energy is no longer a distant fantasy, it is a tangible reality within our grasp. It represents humanity's ultimate energy solution. Let us embrace this extraordinary opportunity with optimism and determination. By investing in fusion, we are investing in a brighter, cleaner, and more prosperous future for generations to come. The dawn of a new energy era is upon us.